strong.
I don't know how to spell a word, teacher.
Okay, so in this super fast tutorial, we're going to talk about how we're going to solve a problem if we find a spelling problem in our work. So here I've got my Microsoft Word. I'm going to write my story. My story is about Ryan finding a new pair of shoes. So I said, Ryan found a new and delicious pair of shoes. These are amazing, Ryan said. Oh no, I've forgotten to add speech marks here. Good. What a contrabulous day. Great. Okay, so here, look, I see that the first thing I'm going to notice is that I have two red marks underneath my words. If I were to left click or right click under this thing, it would give me three options. Here I have amazing, amassing, and amusing. Pretty sure I was going for amazing. What a contrabulous day. Contrabulous, contributors, contrators, unfortunately, contrabulous there. No good suggestions by the look of it. So what I'm going to do, look, is I'm going to copy it over here. And then I'm going to go into Google, and Google, it turns contrabulous is not actually a real word. So I'm going to think of what contrabulous day is going to be, fantastic or amazing. So I'm going to try to find a synonym of fantastic or amazing. I go to Google here. I'm using DuckDuckGo, which is a type of search engine. I'm going to sit in there. I'm going to type in fantastic or fantastic and synonym. Look, fantastic and synonym. And I'm going to find all these fantastic synonyms for fantastic, extraordinary, fancy, strange, superior, unreal, unrealistic, strange, superior. What an interesting word. And also, of course, one of the words from our text. We're going to go for that one there, I think. And then I just go back to my Word document, which is about here. Look, and then I'm going to get rid of contrabulous, which is a fake word, and I'm going to replace it with superior. And I'm going to carry on with my writing. I'm going to say, I feel, let me see, frivolous. So I'm going to think to myself first, how do I spell frivolous? Frivolous. Okay. And then I'm going to check under here again. Look, check on my frivolous. Okay, it doesn't seem to have any words that look anything like frivolous, but frivolous is a word that kind of means silly, so I'm going to copy this word here, look. And I'm going to go back up to Google here, and I'm going to write in frivolous, silly, and then, mix those two words together, look. Okay, contains frivolous, silly. Okay, doesn't look like I've got any of these words that mean anything like that, so I'm just going to go for silly, and then I'm going to say synonym of silly. I'm going to check out synonyms of silly, cockamamie, goofy, wacky. I said frivolous. So here it is. Look, I found myself frivolous, and I've been able to answer my own question without having to ask my teacher. A glory of doing this online work. Boom.
Like the video!